your obsession with that shit, you got an obsession. You don't even realize it.
If there were like thousands of people that died, it's not a fucking exception. It's my duty as a human being to keep track of this thing following me everywhere.
You see
How about
it that way, but nobody else does.
It doesn't
only
matter.
ones that see
This
it
killed me and our family, and you're gonna say that shit?
are the
Come
ones
on,
that are
man.
awake.
This shit killed.
it.
You know how many families this shit killed?
You keep doing the same thing over and over again, man. What the fuck are you talking about?
Keeping videos of it. They can signal. They can put a full signal right through you, meaning say anything through you. But you didn't know that.
Yeah, Michael, no, I don't know shit. I'm too stupid. I don't know a goddamn thing.
They're saying that right through
Because you
you.
know everything.
No, because I'm sitting here making a YouTube video and you're talking in the background. Thank
Oh,
you.
you
Though.
didn't say that. You didn't say that.
I don't have to.